My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Up fam, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my July Play by Sephora unboxing. So yeah, if you'd like to see what I got for this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box that is $10 a month. And like for a very long time, Sephora Play was like my favorite subscription box. But then BoxyCharm came into my life, and then the Ipsy Plus, and slowly like Sephora has gotten, like even before that, I feel like I've been getting a lot of the same products. All right, let's see what we're getting. So this month's theme is, I don't know, Isle of Beauty. It looks like it's a little game. Let's see. Okay, so the first product is this Shiseido Controlled Chaos Volumizing Mascara Ink in Black Pulse. Okay, it says it's new. Here is what the component looks like. Hold on. And, ooh, I really like that brush. Ooh, yes. Ooh. That looks very similar to like the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir, which is like my favorite mascara. Okay, I'm usually not that excited to try mascaras, but I think I am excited. I know I'm excited to try that one. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this next product. It is this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have actually been wanting to try this. It is a hemp-derived cannabis extract and blue agave extract activate, and it says all day hydration and hold. Yes, here is what it looks like. I'm really excited to try this. So yeah, this is 0.13 ounces. Awesome, awesome. The next product is this, something I'm also excited to try. This Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Okay, anything that says glow in it, I'm just like, yes, yes please. I have all these products. I'm like, I don't know what they do. They just make me glow, okay? So it says, take your skin to Glow Town with this tonic. So yeah, right now I use my Pixie Glow Tonic, but I will definitely try this. I have tried a few Ren skincare products now, and I really do think they are a good brand. Quality products from what I've tried. So the next product is this Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. It's a lifesaver for anyone who wants to wash away impurities and be rescued from dullness. You know what's crazy? I remember my very first subscription box purchase, like ever, was the Allure Beauty box. And my very first box, I got this cleanser. Now tell me why I can remember that, but I can't remember a doctor's appointment. But I remember I really did like it, but I was just like, the concept of a subscription box was like so awesome to me, and I just need to get back to that innocent state of mind where I was like so excited to receive everything because it was something new and fun. So yeah, I'm excited to get this again. Alright, and the last product minus the bonus is this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. Okay. When you want to keep hair cleaner for longer, use this non-stripping shampoo that removes buildup from product pollution and hard water. Okay. Yeah, I definitely need some detoxing. Alright, and my bonus is, can I be honest, I hate these packages. This All-Care, my camera cut me off in the middle of a rant. But it's like, it's so much extra waste. Like, we don't need all this. We don't need a little card insert. It has the perfume top I hate, where you have to like go in and dab it, and I never feel like there's enough perfume on. So this is Clementine, California. I mean, it smells good after all that work. I know I'm just being dramatic, but I just hate these types of perfume bottles in general. All right, I'm actually super impressed with my play this month. Wow, all right. They came, I see you, Sephora. They came back. They were like, nope, we're not going to go out like a little bitch. We're going to give you freaking a bomb box. And that's what they did. The only thing that I don't like is that they stopped like including the price of the products in the pamphlet. But I mean, whatever the retail value of this box is, you know, it's definitely worth $10. And these are all this month, all of the products I'm honestly excited to try. So let me know what you think about my Sephora play, or let me know what you got for your Sephora play this month in the comments below. And yeah, here is my question of the day. In your opinion, what is the best beauty subscription box there is right now? So yeah, let me know in your comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.